Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ian with Black Ops, and today we're going to be talking about ball joints. So our ball joints are some of the best on the market because of the material we use. We use 300M, which is what they use in race axles because it can bend and twist slightly without shearing off. Now this is obviously very important for a ball joint because that is the type of thing you have to worry about. Now we also use chromoly steel for the housing and an aluminum dust cap. They're greaseable, rebuildable, adjustable, and because we stand behind them, they come with a lifetime warranty. So if anything ever is to happen for whatever reason, give us a call or hit us up and we'll take care of you. So for the install, there's a bunch of different ways you can go about it, but there's one that we recommend the most, and that would be using our press cups as well as our clamp. Now, if you have a ball joint clamp that works already, that will work with our press cups, but we just made this one because it's a little bit more compact and can even fit into your glove box in one of these side-by-sides. So we just made that for UTVs especially. Now for the press cup, these are actually designed specifically for our ball joints because they can fit perfectly inside around the base and press the ball joint in without having to work with one of those super annoying universal kits that are hard to find a proper cup that fits it. Now, I don't know if these cups work on any other ball joint. Commonly asked question is buying them for a different set. I cannot guarantee the fitment, but given that these are made for UTV ball joints, they may work, but I cannot confirm that. Also, on our ball joints, they do press into the arm. Some people may ask this with our confusing design on the top, does it screw in? It does not. The reason we use a top nut is to get away from that pesky C-clamp. You still have to press these ball joints in, which is why I recommend the install tools, but a press fit is going to be super snug and secure it the best way into the A-arm. It may even seem difficult to get them in compared to your stock OEM ball joint, and that's because it is. Your stock ball joints are known to fail and known to fall out and be loose because they are not manufactured properly. With ours, it's a tight fit, you'll press them in, but with our technology, we can assure you it won't be something you'll have to do often. That being said, if there's any questions that our previous install videos, adjustment videos, or this video didn't answer for you, you can always hit us up on email or give us a call or check out more information on blackopsmachine.com.